In this step-by-step video tutorial, we are going to replace the battery. What do you need? A container to put the screws in, a screwdriver, and a spudger. The first step is to take out all the screws. Make sure that there is soft material under the laptop, so you prevent scratches. Take the spudger and put it between the bottom case and the hinge. Gently apply pressure on the hinge. Do the same on the other side. You can carefully lift up the bottom case. Disconnect the battery. And the CMOS battery. Now take out all the 4 screws that hold the battery in place. You can lift up the battery. Now install the new battery the same way as you took the old one out. Do the same with the screws. Reconnect the battery. And of course the CMOS also. Place back the bottom case. Make sure that the bottom case fits properly. The final step is to put back all the screws. Pay close attention when putting back the screws that hold the hinges, because they are larger than the other screws.